What's up, guys? Today is Haunted Refrigerator Day. It's a day to check in the bottom shelf in the back of the refrigerator. The theory is that what you'll find back there is scarier than anything you'll see tomorrow during Halloween, the discarded items. So let's come check it out. I'll be honest with you guys. We don't do much shopping in the supermarket, so what I have is some liquor shots, eggs, beer, and oh, what's that? There's something glowing down there. Oh. I think we have a message. There you have it, folks. Haunted Refrigerator Day. Watch out. You don't know what you may find.